Look at your life for a second. Maybe you're not actually tired. Maybe your mind is simply overloaded. Your phone, endless scrolling, short-form videos, explicit content, constant entertainment, all of it gives your brain instant stimulation. And slowly, your brain starts choosing comfort over effort. That's why you feel distracted. That's why starting something feels difficult. And that's why you sometimes feel like you're stuck in the same cycle. You tell yourself, this is the last time. Then the same thing happens again tomorrow. And after repeating that cycle for long enough, something changes. You don't just lose time, you start losing confidence in yourself. Because one of the hardest battles you'll ever fight is the one inside your own mind. But here's something important. Maybe you don't have a discipline problem. Maybe your environment has trained you to constantly chase instant rewards. And if you want to change your life, you have to change that system. In this video, I'm going to give you a simple 5-step approach to regain control over your attention, your energy, and your daily habits. 1. Reset your stimulation. Think about how often you check your phone. You open it for 1 minute, then another video appears, then another, and suddenly half an hour is gone. Your brain becomes accustomed to constant stimulation. So for the next 7 days, dramatically reduce unnecessary screen time. Cut down on endless scrolling, random entertainment, and mindless browsing. Use your phone when you actually need it. Spend more time working, reading, walking, exercising, or simply sitting without needing constant entertainment. At first, boredom may feel uncomfortable. That's exactly the point. Your mind needs to relearn that silence and ordinary activities can also be enjoyable.
2. Control what enters your mind. Your environment influences your thoughts more than you realize. If your social media feed constantly shows provocative content, unrealistic lifestyles, or material designed to grab your attention, your brain keeps receiving those signals throughout the day. So clean up your digital environment. Unfollow accounts that constantly trigger distractions. Remove unnecessary recommendations. Block websites that repeatedly pull you into habits you are trying to leave behind. And for 1 week, deliberately consume content that teaches you something useful. Books, education, fitness, skills, business, personal development. You cannot expect a focused mind while constantly feeding it distractions. 3. Use your physical energy. Your body needs movement. When you spend the entire day sitting, scrolling, and doing almost nothing physical, your mind gets more opportunities to wander. So give your body a real challenge. Go to the gym, run, play a sport, walk for a long distance, do bodyweight exercises at home. You don't need an extreme workout routine. You simply need consistent physical activity. When you start using your energy productively, you often feel more mentally balanced as well. Don't waste your energy chasing temporary stimulation. Put it into something that makes you stronger. Have a plan for your urges. An urge doesn't last forever. The mistake is reacting to it immediately. The moment you notice a strong impulse, change your environment. Put the phone away, stand up, wash your face, take a short walk, do a few push-ups, talk to someone, start another activity. Give yourself 10 or 15 minutes before making any decision. Think of an urge like a wave. It rises, reaches a peak, and eventually comes down. You don't have to fight every thought. You simply have to avoid automatically obeying it. An urge is a signal, not a command. You still get to choose what happens next. 5. Build an anti-boredom routine. A lot of bad habits don't begin with a huge temptation. They begin with one simple sentence. I have nothing to do. You're alone. You're bored. You pick up your phone. 1 click becomes 10 minutes. 10 minutes becomes an hour. And suddenly you're back in the same cycle. So don't wait until boredom arrives. Prepare for it. Keep a list of things you can do immediately. Read a few pages. Go outside. Exercise. Learn a new skill. Work on a personal project. Study. Clean your room. Build something. The goal isn't to keep yourself busy every second. The goal is to stop boredom from automatically turning into a destructive habit.
Your environment should make good decisions easier. Now ask yourself one question. Who are you becoming through your daily choices? If you keep telling yourself, I can't control myself, eventually you'll start believing it. But if you start proving to yourself, one small decision at a time, that you can control your actions, your identity begins to change. Self-control isn't about being perfect. It's about becoming better at making the right choice, especially when the wrong choice feels easier. You don't need to transform your entire life overnight. Start with today. Put the phone away, move your body, control what you consume, choose something productive when boredom arrives, and most importantly, keep the promises you make to yourself. Because every time you keep one small promise, you build trust in yourself. And that is where real discipline begins. If you're serious about changing your habits, write "I'm ready" in the comments. And if this video helped you, support the channel by liking the video and subscribing for more self-improvement.